Welcome to Motor Vision, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive trends, and expert insights. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Lincoln Corsair, a luxury compact SUV that blends elegance, technology, and performance into one sleek package. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair continues Lincoln's signature design language, but with some modern refinements that make it stand out. The front grille has been slightly redesigned, featuring a more intricate pattern that gives the SUV a bold yet sophisticated presence. The LED headlights are now slimmer and more aggressive, seamlessly integrating into the overall design. Moving along the side profile, you'll notice sleek body lines and a floating roof effect, which adds to its upscale appeal. At the rear, the updated taillights stretch across the tailgate, giving it a wider and more commanding stance. Under the hood, Lincoln offers a variety of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivers a smooth 250 horsepower, while the optional 2.5-liter plug-in hybrid variant pushes the limits with improved fuel efficiency and an all-electric driving range of around 30 miles. Both engine options are paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a seamless driving experience. The Corsair's available all-wheel drive system provides confidence on various terrains, making it a great choice for both city driving and weekend getaways. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury. High-quality materials like soft leather, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum trim make the interior feel truly premium. The redesigned dashboard now features a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Lincoln's latest Sync 4 technology. This system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone connectivity. The digital instrument cluster has also been upgraded, providing a fully customizable display for essential driving information. Comfort is a priority in the 2025 Lincoln Corsair, and that's evident in its spacious seating and advanced features. The front seats offer 24-way adjustability with massage functions, ensuring a relaxing drive. Rear passengers are not left behind either, with ample legroom and reclining seat options. The available panoramic sunroof enhances the open and airy feel of the cabin, making long journeys even more enjoyable. Lincoln's signature active noise control technology ensures a quiet and peaceful ride, isolating passengers from outside road noise. When it comes to technology, the Corsair is packed with advanced driver assistance features under the Lincoln Copilot 360 suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. The updated hands-free highway driving system, Lincoln Blue Cruise, makes long-distance travel effortless by allowing drivers to take their hands off the wheel on pre-mapped highways. Cargo space is another strong point of the Corsair. With the rear seats up, you get around 27.6 cubic feet of storage, which expands to over 57 cubic feet when the seats are folded down. Whether you're heading for a weekend road trip or simply running daily errands, there's plenty of room for all your essentials. On the road, the 2025 Lincoln Corsair delivers a refined and smooth driving experience. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Steering is responsive yet light, making it easy to maneuver in tight city spaces. The hybrid variant, with its electric boost, offers a quiet and effortless acceleration, while the turbocharged engine ensures a punchy and engaging drive when needed. So, who is the 2025 Lincoln Corsair for? If you're looking for a luxury compact SUV that combines style, advanced technology, and a comfortable ride, the Corsair is a strong contender. It competes with models like the BMW X3, Audi Q5, and Mercedes-Benz GLC, but Lincoln's emphasis on elegance and smooth driving dynamics sets it apart. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Lincoln Corsair. What do you think of this luxury SUV? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Vision for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.